Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Dhanusha from the CSE department. In the presentation, we will discuss the web application architecture. Introduction. The web application architecture is the foundation of every web app. It encompasses the client-side and server-side component as well as the database. Understanding its layer is crucial for building scalable and efficient web application. What is a web application architecture? Web application architecture defines the interaction between application, middleware system, and the database to ensure multiple applications can work together. Front-end, back-end. Front-end. Front-end of web app work on the client side which the user will interact. The client side written in JavaScript, CSS, HTML. Backend. Backend is on the server and that is not accessible by user. The server used to store data that can be manipulated easily when required. It can be done easily with the platform like JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, etc. Client side and server side. Client side. Client side refers to the process that are carried out the user device, typically user web browser. This process are executed after the website or web application has been delivered to the user device. They can include tasks such as displaying a web page, handling user interaction, running the Java code. Server side. Server side refers to the process that are carried out web server where the website or web application hosted. This process typically executed by server before website or web application delivered to the user device. They can include tasks such as handling user input, web page, etc. etc. Example of HTML code. Same code copy and run in online compiler. Run. Output will be hello world. Example of CSS code. Run. Output will be in the center hello world. Example of JavaScript code. Control V. Run. Output will be hello world. Layers of web application architecture. Presentation layer, business layer, data access layer, database layer. Presentation layer. It is built within HTML, CSS, JavaScript framework to the communicate between interface and a browser to facilitate user interaction. Business layer. It defines the business logic and rules. It processes browser request, execute the business logic associated with the request, then send it to the presentation layer. Data access layer. It responsible for data, also known as persistent layer. It closely connected to the business layer, has a database server that retrieve data from corresponding server. Database layer. It is also known as data service layer, which holds the all data, ensure the data security by separating business logic from the client side. Conclusion: decoding the web application architecture is essential for the building robust, efficient web application. By understanding the core principle and design consideration, developers can create a schedulable, high-performance web application that meet the demand of modern digital environment. Thank you.